are you? Today we are going to learn on circles. Okay, so but on circles, when we're going to learn on this now, we're going to learn on how to find the circumference of circle, how to find the radius of a circle by having a circumference, how to find the area and move on. Okay, so just be in this video until end. Okay, now how to find the circumference of the circle. Now guys, look here. Okay, you have a image of a circle here, right? Now what line is this? Now this line we call it radius. Okay, this is radius. So radius is from the center of the circle to the wall, the outline of the circle. So that is the radius. Now the radius is 5 centimeter. Okay guys, remember one thing. If you want to find circumference, you should have the radius. Okay, if you don't have radius, it's quite hard for you. Okay, now so the radius is 5 centimeter here. Now, so the formula to find circumference of the circle, it's 2 pi r. So when I say 2 pi r, is actually 2 times with pi times with r. Okay, there is another formula to find circumference, that is pi d. Okay, pi d, diameter, pi d means d stands for diameter. So if this is 5, another radius also 5. Am I right? This is the whole diameter. But here we are just focusing on this formula. It's better to have one formula. Okay, I don't want you guys to get confused. Now, so we look at 2 pi r. 2 times pi times r. Now, very simple. Can you see the 2 here? Just copy 2 here. Okay, just copy the 2 here. Now, times, guys, what is pi? Okay, pi, the fixed value of a pi is 3.142. In fraction, the same value in fraction is 22 over 7. Okay, it's 22 over 7. So if it's very simple. Just get a calculator, a scientific calculator. Just press pi and then equal sign. Easy. Then you will get this number. Just take this 3.142. Okay, 2 times pi. Pi is which 3.142. And r times r. Your radius is 5 centimeter here, so you just put 5. So you can use your calculator to find what is 2 times 3.142 times 5. So you will get 31.42 centimeter. Guys, it's important for you to have centimeter. Okay, you must have centimeter. Now then, we already look at the calculation. Now what is actually circumference? Guys, circumference is the length of the outer line. Is the length of the outer line. Normally we call this perimeter. Am I right? But for circle, we don't call it perimeter. We call it circumference. Okay? Clear, guys? Okay, why actually we have this formula? Because of course we cannot take a ruler and measure a circle length, right? It's not that easy, because can you bend a ruler? Unless it's a plastic, maybe you can, but not like this, right? Okay, now next. Okay, how to find the radius of circle? Okay guys, if you want to find the radius of a circle, okay, so can you see the white color line here, the circle, white color circle? Guys, this is the circumference of the circle. Now in this question, they already given you the circumference. The circumference is 44 centimeter. So based on 44 centimeter, you need to find the radius of the circle. So how to find the radius? Now very simple. Now, so this was the formula just now. Am I right? 2 pi r. C stands for circumference. Circumference equals to 2 pi r. Am I right? Now we are going to change this formula a bit to make r as the subject. Why we are making r as the subject? Because you are here to find the radius. So automatically r, which is radius, will become the subject. Okay? Think, you just see which one you want to find. So you want to find radius, so make radius as the subject. Radius is r here. So now when you want to make it a subject, always shift the place first. 2 pi r. Now r is here, correct? Okay guys, circumference is equals to 2 times pi times r. Now if you want to find r, just put r here. The circumference, you take circumference, divide 2 times pi. So c over 2 pi. Okay, when you arrange the formula, it will be like this. So radius equals to circumference divide 2 times pi. Now very simple. Now just put r here equals to c. What is your circumference? 44 centimeter. So just write here 44 centimeter divide, just put 2 here, times, what is your pi? Pi always always a fixed number, okay? Times 3.142. Okay? So just copy here 44 centimeter, divide, what is 2 times 3.142? You will get 6.284. Okay? So R equals to 44 divide 6.284. You will get 7 centimeter. Of course, you will get a point in your calculator. So you can just take the number 7. Easy. Okay. So the radius is 7 centimeter. You can use the previous formula, I mean the same formula, for you to check the circumference, whether you are getting the 44 centimeters or not. Okay. Okay, now let's look at the next thing. How to find the area of circle. Guys, area. Now, area and circumference has a different formula. Now, circumference was 2 pi r, correct? Now, area is pi r square. Pi r square. Very simple. Pi times with r square. The squared r, very simple. What is pi again? A fixed number. 3.142. That is pi. Put times here. What is r? R means radius. Now your radius is 5 centimeters. So you put 5 here. Don't forget you must square it. Okay? Equals to, copy this. Do not times first. You must square this first. Okay? So you just copy this. 3.142 times, guys, what is 5 square? 5 square means 5 times 5. Or you can use your calculator to get the answer. 5 times 5 or 5 square is equals to 25. Now get the calculator. 3.142 times with 25. So you will get 78.55 cm. Is it just cm? No. You must put square here. Reason? Because you are finding area. Always remember, area means it's cm square. Centimeter square. Is it clear? Okay. Now, last part. How to find the radius of circle? Now, guys, in this case, okay, if you have a circle, they want me to, sorry, the question asking you to find the radius of the circle, but they didn't give you the circumference. They gave you the area of the circle, which is 78 cm square. Guys, always see, if you have square, it's not circumference, it is area. Okay, be careful with the square. Okay, now the formula for area, A stands for area, equals to pi r square. The same formula that we did just now. Now you are going to find the radius. So what you will do? You have to make r as the subject. R as the subject. So r will come here before the equal sign. So except for r, everything else will go after the equal sign. Okay. Now r equals to, why you have the square root here? We call this square root, right? Why you have this? Because r square. What is the opposite of square? If here r square, if you move it here, since you just want to find the value of r, you're not finding r square. Okay, be careful with this. How to find the radius of the circle? They didn't tell you how to find the squared radius of the circle. It's not about square. Okay, so r equals to, since you have square here, opposite of square is square root. So put square root here. Okay, area divide pi. Area divide pi. Is it clear? Okay. Now put here equals to, what is the area? Area is 78 centimeters square. Am I right? So right here 78 centimeters square over, what is the pi? Pi has a fixed number which is 3.142. Okay, easy. Now just you need to copy the square root. Same goes to here. Copy the square root. Now get your calculator. Take 78 divide 3.142. If you do that, you will get 24.8. So now you have to square root it. Since you don't have anything inside, square root it. So square root of 24.8 is equals to 4.9 centimeter. You are not going to put square here because you are not finding area. You are finding radius. So do not put square here. It's just 4.9 cm. So the radius is 4.9 cm. Okay, is it very clear, guys? Okay, so if you don't understand, please replay this video until you get a complete understanding. Okay, so see you in the next video. Okay, so before that, please subscribe this channel. Please like this video, share this video. For those friends, if you have a friend that need help with maths, please share to them. Okay, so when you share, you are helping others at the same time. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.